क्या कहा आपने? What did you say? What did you say? आज कौन सा दिन है? What's the day today? What's the day today? क्या आप मुझे जानते हैं? Do you know me? Do you know me? आप क्या चाहते हैं? What do you want? What do you want? आपको क्या पसंद है? What do you like? What do you like? समस्या क्या है? What is the problem? What is the problem? आपका दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? क्या आप जाना चाहते हैं? Do you want to go? Do you want to go? क्या आप परेशान हैं? Are you upset? Are you upset? क्या कारण है? What is the reason? What is the reason? Hi, आप कैसे हो? Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? कैसा है सब कुछ? How is everything? How is everything? आप कहाँ पढ़ते हैं? Where do you study? Where do you study? आपके दिमाग में क्या है? What's on your mind? What's on your mind? तुम क्यों जा रहे हो? Why are you going? Why are you going? तुम झूठ क्यों बोल रहे हो? Why are you lying? Why are you lying? क्यों तुम इतने गंभीर हो? Why are you so serious? Why are you so serious? तुम यह क्यों पूछ रहे हो? Why are you asking this? Why are you asking this? आप ऐसा क्यों सोचते हैं? Why do you think so? Why do you think so? उसने आपकी मदद क्यों की? Why did she help you? Why did she help you? वह लंदन क्यों गई? Why did she go to London? Why did she go to London? क्या तुम्हें मालूम है? Do you know? Do you know? क्या तुम एक काम करोगे? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? क्या तुम जाओगे? Will you go? Will you go? क्या यह संभव है? Is it possible? Is it possible? क्या आप मुझे जानते हैं? Do you know me? Do you know me? क्या आप मुझे सुन सकते हैं? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? तुम कहाँ जाओगे? Where will you go? Where will you go? क्या आपके पास कार है? Do you have a car? Do you have a car? कौन सा अच्छा है? Which is better? Which is better? क्या मैं खिड़की खोल सकता हूँ? May I open the window? May I open the window? पार्टी कैसी थी? How was the party? How was the party? यहाँ से राजीव चौक कैसे पहुँचे? How to reach Rajiv Chowk from here? How to reach Rajiv Chowk from here? यहाँ से रेलवे स्टेशन कितना दूर है? हाउ फार इज द रेलवे स्टेशन फ्रॉम हियर? यहां से हवाई अड्डा कितना दूर है? हाउ फार इज द एयरपोर्ट फ्रॉम हियर? हाउ फार इज द एयरपोर्ट फ्रॉम हियर? तुम वहां क्यों जाते हो? वाई डू यू गो देयर? वाई डू यू गो देयर? आप झूठ क्यों बोलते हैं? वाई डू यू लाई? वाई डू यू लाई? आपका ईमेल पता क्या है? व्हाट्स योर ईमेल एड्रेस? व्हाट्स योर ईमेल एड्रेस? आपका जन्मदिन कब है? व्हेन इज योर बर्थडे? व्हेन इज योर बर्थडे? आप अपने खाली समय में क्या करते हो? व्हाट डू यू डू इन योर फ्री टाइम? व्हाट डू यू डू इन योर फ्री टाइम? क्या आप शादीशुदा हैं? आर यू मैरिड? आर यू मैरिड? आप कब जाओगे? When will you go? When will you go? क्या यह आज का अखबार है? Is this today's newspaper? Is this today's newspaper? यह किसकी किताब है? Whose book is this? Whose book is this? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? क्या वह अकेला आ रहा है? Is he coming alone? Is he coming alone? आप यह क्यों पूछ रहे हैं? Why are you asking this? Why are you asking this? तुम ऐसा क्यों पूछ रहे हो? Why are you asking like that? Why are you asking like that? क्या मैं आपसे एक पर्सनल सवाल पूछ सकता हूं? Can I ask you one personal question? Can I ask you one personal question? आप चाय लेंगे या कॉफी? Would you like tea or coffee? Would you like tea or coffee? तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? क्या तुम अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हो? Can you speak English? Can you speak English? क्या आप मुझे स्टेशन तक छोड़ सकते हैं? Can you drop me to the station? Can you drop me to the station? आपकी यात्रा कैसी रही? How was your journey? How was your journey? दिल्ली यहाँ से कितनी दूर है? How far is Delhi from here? How far is Delhi from here? अब तुम्हें कैसा लग रहा है? How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? तुम मुझे कैसे जानते हो? How do you know me? How do you know me? आपका फोन नंबर क्या है? What is your phone number? What is your phone number? आप अंग्रेजी क्यों सीख रहे हो? Why are you learning English? Why are you learning English? तुम यहाँ क्यों बैठे हो? Why are you sitting here? Why are you sitting here? तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? तुम अब क्या करोगे? What will you do now? What will you do now? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? वेयर डू यू लीव? वेयर डू यू लीव? यह किसका बैग है? Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? तुम हंस क्यों रहे हो? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? तू यहाँ क्या कर रहा है? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? आपका क्लास टीचर कौन है? Who is your class teacher? Who is your class teacher? तुम जल्दी में क्यों हो? Why are you in a hurry? Why are you in a hurry? आप ऐसा क्यों सोचते हैं? Why do you think like this? Why do you think like this? वह ऐसा क्यों सोचता है? Why does he think like this? Why does he think like this? आप क्या चाहते हैं? What do you want? What do you want? आपने ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did you do that? Why did you do that? क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? माफ कीजिए, क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? Excuse me, can I sit here please? Excuse me, can I sit here please? आज कौन सी तारीख है? What is the date today? What is the date today? क्या पास में कोई बैंक है? Is there a bank nearby? Is there a bank nearby? आपका परिवार कैसा है? How is your family? How is your family? आपके पिता क्या करते हैं? What does your father do? What does your father do? तुम कहाँ से आ रहे हो? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? क्या वह आज रात आ रही है? Is she coming tonight? Is she coming tonight? क्या यहाँ आसपास कोई दवा की दुकान है? Is there any medical store near here? Is there any medical store near here? आपका सिर दर्द कैसा है? How is your headache? How is your headache? क्या आप थका हुआ महसूस कर रहे हैं? Are you feeling tired? Are you feeling tired? शीशा किसने तोड़ा? Who broke the mirror? Who broke the mirror? तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? आपके नाश्ते का समय क्या है? What time do you have breakfast? What time do you have breakfast? तुम रोज दूध क्यों पीते हो? Why do you drink milk daily? Why do you drink milk daily? आपने यह किताब क्यों खरीदी? Why did you buy this book? Why did you buy this book? आप मैच क्यों नहीं देखते? Why don't you watch the match? Why don't you watch the match? तुम वहां क्यों गए? Why did you go there? Why did you go there? मैंने आपको क्यों बुलाया? Why did I call you? Why did I call you? कितना टाइम हुआ है? What's the time? What's the time? तुम मुझसे इतना क्यों डरते हो? Why are you so scared of me? Why are you so scared of me? आपके कितने दोस्त हैं? How many friends do you have? How many friends do you have? क्या वह अपनी नौकरी से संतुष्ट है? Is he satisfied with his job? Is he satisfied with his job? क्या आप कुछ मिनट प्रतीक्षा कर सकते हैं? Can you wait a few minutes? Can you wait a few minutes? अपनी नौकरी क्यों छोड़ी? Why did you leave the job? Why did you leave the job? क्या आपको किसी मदद की जरूरत है? Do you need any help? Do you need any help? वह वहां क्यों जाता है? Why does he go there? Why does he go there? क्या आप भूखे हैं? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? लड़कियों को शॉपिंग करना क्यों पसंद होता है? Why do girls love shopping? Why do girls love shopping? तुम उसे इतना नापसंद क्यों करते हो? Why do you dislike him so much? Why do you dislike him so much? क्या आप मुझ पर भरोसा करते हैं? Do you trust me? Do you trust me? आपको क्यों लगता है कि वह स्वार्थी है? Why do you think he is selfish? Why do you think he is selfish? क्या आपका कोई बॉयफ्रेंड है? Do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend? क्या आपकी कोई गर्लफ्रेंड है? Do you have a girlfriend? Do you have a girlfriend? तुम्हारी लंबाई कितनी है? How tall are you? How tall are you? तुम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे थे? What were you talking about? What were you talking about? क्या आप कभी मुंबई गए हैं? Have you ever been to Mumbai? Have you ever been to Mumbai? यह इमारत कितनी पुरानी है? How old is this building? How old is this building? आपको आने में कितना समय लगेगा? How long it will take you to come? How long it will take you to come? क्या आपको और कुछ चाहिए? Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else? वह कब वापस आएगा? When he will come back? When he will come back? वह आज अनुपस्थित क्यों है? Why is he absent today? Why is he absent today? तुम वहां क्यों गए थे? Why did you go there? Why did you go there? तुम उसके साथ क्यों जा रहे हो? Why are you going with him? Why are you going with him? आप हमसे क्यों नहीं जुड़ते? Why don't you join us? Why don't you join us? इन जूतों की कीमत कितनी है? How much do these shoes cost? How much do these shoes cost? मीटिंग में कितने लोग थे? How many people were there in the meeting? How many people were there in the meeting? क्या तुम्हें यकीन है कि वह हमारी मदद करेगा? Are you sure he will help us? Are you sure he will help us? क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि यह योजना असफल होगी? Do you think this plan will fail? Do you think this plan will fail? तुम्हारी पढ़ाई कैसी चल रही है आजकल? How is your study going on these days? हाउ इज योर स्टडी गोइंग ऑन दिस डेज? क्या हम अब टहलने चलें? शैल वी गो फॉर अ वॉक नाउ? शैल वी गो फॉर अ वॉक नाउ? इस शब्द का हिंदी अर्थ क्या है? What is the Hindi meaning of this word? What is the Hindi meaning of this word? क्या आप आज शाम शॉपिंग करने जा रहे हो? Are you going to shopping this evening? Are you going to shopping this evening? क्या तुम पास हो गए? Did you pass? Did you pass? क्या आप परिणाम के बारे में चिंतित हैं? Are you worried about the result? Are you worried about the result? तुम कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? आप आज क्या करने जा रहे हैं? What are you going to do today? What are you going to do today? क्या आपको मेरा संदेश मिला? Did you get my message? Did you get my message? आप स्कूल कैसे जाते हैं? How do you go to school? How do you go to school? तुम इतने उदास क्यों दिख रहे हो? Why are you looking so sad? Why are you looking so sad? वे आपको दोष क्यों देते हैं? Why do they blame you? Why do they blame you? उन्होंने आपको दोष क्यों दिया? Why did they blame you? Why did they blame you? वह वहां क्यों गया? Why did he go there? Why did he go there? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do you live? Where do you live? तुम्हारी उम्र क्या है? What's your age? What's your age? आप कितने साल के हो? How old are you? How old are you? क्या कहा आपने? What did you say? What did you say? आज कौन सा दिन है? What's the day today? What's the day today? क्या आप मुझे जानते हैं? Do you know me? Do you know me? आप क्या चाहते हैं? What do you want? What do you want? आपको क्या पसंद है? What do you like? What do you like? समस्या क्या है? What is the problem? What is the problem? आपका दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? क्या आप जाना चाहते हैं? Do you want to go? Do you want to go? क्या आप परेशान हैं? Are you upset? Are you upset? क्या कारण है? What is the reason? What is the reason? Hi, आप कैसे हो? Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? कैसा है सब कुछ? How is everything? How is everything? आप कहाँ पढ़ते हैं? Where do you study? Where do you study? आपके दिमाग में क्या है? What's on your mind? What's on your mind? तुम क्यों जा रहे हो? Why are you going? Why are you going? तुम झूठ क्यों बोल रहे हो? Why are you lying? Why are you lying? क्यों तुम इतने गंभीर हो? Why are you so serious? Why are you so serious? तुम यह क्यों पूछ रहे हो? वाई आर यू आस्किंग दिस?